Hey, sexy wizards. Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to spice up day 74 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After neural nets in day 73, we're diving into activation functions for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at paypal.me DailyAIWizard. Ethan, what's the magic of activations? Sophia, how does it build on day 73's app?
Hello, brilliant wizards! I'm Irene, thrilled to guide with Sophia's demos. Activation functions make neural nets non-linear. Our demos will make your AI sparkle. Love our content?
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, droppin' spicy activation code with winks for Sophia and Olivia. ReLU, Sigmoid, Tan, let's crank this AI party to 11. Coffee fuels the sparks.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our app component demos and make activation sizzle. Let's fire up neurons, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your activation learning hot. Ready to spark, wizards?
Wizards. Activation functions are your neural net crush, darling. They add non-linearity, so models learn complex patterns. Ethan, explain ReLU versus Sigmoid. Sophia, how do they enhance day 73's app?
Activation functions enable neural nets to model non-linear relationships, crucial for iris classification. Our demos will show different functions in action.
Thanks, Ethan and Sophia. Activations make AI so sexy and powerful. Get ready to spark, wizards, and prep for day 75's loss functions. Wizards, today we're seducing you with activation function magic. You'll master ReLU, Sigmoid, Tan, Softmax, compare effects, and integrate into the app with spicy demos to make you swoon. Sophia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Sophia's leading app component demos with fiery energy. Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master activations and prep for day 75's loss functions. Wizards, meet your day 74 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator with flirty charm. I'm guiding with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. Sophia's leading app demos with passion, Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you activation superstars. Wizards, activation functions are your neural net spark, darling. They decide when neurons fire. Ethan, explain ReLU's magic. Sophia, how do they fit day 73's app?
Anastasia, you make activations sound so hot. How do they improve neural classification, love? Ethan, what's your take on activations in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Activations make neural nets learn complex patterns. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, activations are like hot sparks for Sophia. ReLU fires fast, Sigmoid smooths. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, ReLU activates like a hot spark for Sophia. 0 for negative, linear for positive, fast and simple. Let's drop this code beat and fire some neurons.
You're sparking my heart, Ethan. ReLU prevents vanishing gradients. Try it in our demo. It's like firing with passion.
Wizards, Sigmoid smooths like a hot curve for Sophia. Squeezes to 0 to 1, perfect for probabilities. Let's drop this code beat and smooth some outputs.
You're curving my heart, Ethan. Sigmoid gives probabilities. Try it in our demo. It's like smoothing with passion.
Wizards, Tan balances like a hot symmetry for Sophia. -1 to 1 range, 0 centered. Let's drop this code beat and balance some activations.
You're balancing my heart, Ethan. Tan centers at 0. Try it in our demo. It's like balancing with passion.
Wizards, softmax distributes probabilities like a hot vote for Sophia. Turns logits to class probs. Let's drop this code beat and vote some classes.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. Softmax for multi-class. Try it in our demo, it's like voting with passion.
Wizards, compare activations like a hot showdown for Sophia. ReLU fast, sigmoid smooth, tan balanced, softmax probabilistic. Let's drop this code beat and compare.
You're showdown my heart, Ethan. Comparing shows best for Iris. Try it in our demo, it's like comparing with passion.
Wizards, build nets with dense, activation equals, ReLU, like a hot experiment for Sophia. Test each activation. Let's drop this code beat and experiment.
You're experimenting my heart, Ethan. Different activations for different tasks. Try it in our demo, it's like experimenting with passion.
Wizards, model.fit, trains with different activations like a hot race for Sophia. See which converges best. Let's drop this code beat and raise some nets.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Training shows activation effects. Try it in our demo, it's like racing with passion.
Wizards, model.evaluate, scores activations like a hot judge for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat and crown a winner.
You're judging my heart, Ethan. Evaluation shows best activation. Try it in our demo, it's like judging with passion. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate activation functions into the neural net classifier for AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 70 to 73. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed, Wizards. Open Days 7073's app files. Ethan will spice it up. Let's activate, cuties.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 70 to 73. Open VS Code, load days 73's app files, create iris_activation_demo.py and updated_app_iris_activation.py, save in Python demo. Run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Sophia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 73's neural net? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 73's model, add activation comparison, run Streamlit, run updated_app_iris_activation.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, neural activations are the hot sequel to day 73. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in iris_activation_demo.py compares activation functions on Iris. We'll build 4 neural nets, train, evaluate, and visualize. Let's run this and see the sparks.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Dense, activation equals, ReLU, versus sigmoid, total activation showdown. Wizards, import TensorFlow as TF loads the deep learning engine like a hot startup for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat and go deep.
You're starting my engine, Ethan. TensorFlow powers neural nets. Try it in our demo, it's like igniting with passion.
Wizards, load_iris, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI classification. Let's drop this code beat.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Iris data is ready for activations.
Wizards, standard scaler, scales data like a hot transformation for Sophia. Neural nets love normalized input. Let's drop this code beat.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Scaling ensures stable training.
Wizards, sequential, stacks layers like a hot tower for Sophia. Input, hidden, output, let's drop this code beat.
You're stacking my heart, Ethan. Sequential builds the net.
Wizards, dense, 16, activation equals, ReLU, adds neurons like a hot web for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're connecting my heart, Ethan. Dense layers learn patterns.
Wizards, model.compile, sets optimizer like a hot trainer for Sophia. Atom, loss, accuracy, let's drop this code beat.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Compile defines learning.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot workout for Sophia. Epochs, batch size, let's drop this code beat.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Fit trains the net.
Wizards, model.evaluate, scores like a hot test for Sophia. Accuracy, loss, let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Evaluate measures performance.
Wizards, model.predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Sophia. Input species, let's drop this code beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Predict classifies new flowers. Our second demo in updated _app_iris_activation.py updates the app with activation comparison. We'll add multiple nets, evaluation, and UI. Let's run this and see the sparks.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Activation equals, ReLU versus Sigmoid, total activation showdown. Wizards, import Streamlit as ST sets up the app like a hot interface for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're interfacing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit builds the UI.
Wizards, ST slider, captures input like a hot choice for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're choosing my heart, Ethan. User input powers interactivity.
Wizards model predicts with activations in Streamlit like a sexy spark.
App prediction uses neural net with activations for real-time results. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, activations are so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model.save model.h5 saves the activated net like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards, use ReLU for hidden layers, softmax for output, avoid sigmoid in deep nets. Choose based on task.
Optimized activations are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 75's loss functions wizards.
Wizards, activations fit neural net pipelines for nonlinear learning. Your skills are ready for day 75.
Activations are critical in AI, darling. Your day 74 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI, Iris, activations.py to build, train, compare 4 neural nets with different activations for Iris, and build a Streamlit app. Share on Instagram.
Try dense activation, ReLU, sigmoid, tang, softmax, and st.slider. Show us at DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 75's loss functions. Subscribe, like, share your AI Iris activations.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code. Support us at paypal.me, our DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 75's loss functions. You've stolen my heart with activations. Support us at paypal.me DailyAIWizard and get hyped for day 75's loss functions.
Proud of you. Share your AI Iris activations.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 75's loss functions adventure.
You nailed activations, Sophia. Get pumped for day 75's loss functions.
You're phenomenal, Ethan. Share your code and subscribe for day 75's magic.
Your activation skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with loss functions in day 75.